Okay, so here I'm just trying to understand like how this will work. This plugins screenshot is there, you can see here, and basically what is the newsletter? Newsletter means if you want to send the news, if you're ready, just come. Okay. If see what is newsletter, let's say I have one new product launch. I want to send email to all my customer. See, I have WordPress website daily. Some customer is going to register, right? So I have some customers are there. Their email ID are there. I want one software to send the email, bulk email I will send. So newsletter is nothing but sending the bulk email. Sending the bulk email. Okay. So how we are going to do that? This is the this is our uh, this is our plugins. This plugins I am going to install it. Where do you stay? इंडिया था किधर रहते? अच्छा अच्छा मीरपेट कितना दूर है इधर से? 8 किलोमीटर. जॉब भी करते हैं या ओनली जस्ट हैं? You are doing job also or just you are learning na? You don't have laptop or something to practice. Why don't you sit here and practice? Huh? If you want, I'll give you system. No worry. Okay. You try to spend the time because I observe in the class you are more active. You are more active and you are learning, understanding the subject also. Okay. Confusion if you sit here, practice here, then what will happen? Any doubt, immediately call me. I will come there and I will clear the doubt. You spend more time here because I am here to help you. Hmm? Okay, so see here, I'm going to activate this. I'm activating this one. Okay. Hello. Yeah, yeah. हाँ बोलिए. Right. हाँ. वो लिंक काम नहीं करता. जब आपको डेमो होना उस टाइम में मुझे कॉल करना. वो लिंक तभी काम करता जब मैं ऑनलाइन आता. आई थिंक आप अभी क्लिक किए हैं और हाँ हाँ आप अभी मीटिंग में हैं. एम ओ आई डोंट नो. राइट राइट राइट. आपका नाम क्या है? पंकज है। पंकज अभी क्लिक नहीं कीजिए, एक मैं क्लास ले रहा हूँ मीटिंग में, तो दूसरे जने ज्वाइन, हाँ दूसरे जने ज्वाइन किए हैं। आप मुझे थोड़ी देर में मैं आपको कॉल करता हूँ, हाँ मैं आपको जैसे ही फ्री होता हूँ कॉल करता हूँ, तो आप होपफुली इवनिंग टाइम में मैं फ्री रहता, इवनिंग चलेगा आपको? ओके ओके ठीक है। आपका नाम क्या है? पंकज है राइट? आई थिंक थोड़ी देर पहले हमने ये किया था, आपको मेल किया था। अच्छा पंकज, हाँ राइट राइट तिवारी, ओके। आपको सी आई ट्रेनिंग क्या होना, लाड़ावेल होना, लाड़ावेल होना, लाड़ावेल होना, और आपको ऑनलाइन होना। ठीक है मैं कॉल करता हूँ आपको, ठीक है। So if you see here, I have installed it, and after installation you can see couple of options are coming here, and these options, see this is the newsletter, this is the subscriber. See subscriber means how many people are subscribe for the newsletter. So you can see here, update plugin dismiss. So right now nobody is there. So let me see, user. See user is there here, user. So what this is running fine. ये फाइल ओपन कीजिए, con.php। The database is available here. Some issue is there, I can see. It will take some time. I will tell you. It will want some time, 1 hour time. Regarding what is the issue? If I will tell issue, you can do that. I need to learn that. We are making you learn paid learn, not free learn. The cost is too much, sir. Okay. How much you can? Even I want to learn that. Huh? I want to learn that also. How to resolve it. I'll do in front of you. After fixing, I will explain you where is the problem. Can you tell me what's the problem? First, I told you. I can't afford that much. Fine. 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 Can I Paytm? Can I Paytm? Paytm, yeah. Not now. I'm busy. After this class, again I have another class, another class. I'll be free at between 4 to 5. 4 to 5. 4 to 5 you can come directly. You Paytm and I will fix it. 1 hour, sir? Huh? 1 hour time. 1 hour, 30 minutes. We'll see. I understand, but again, need to do. If I'm doing and we got some more issue, depends. Okay. Okay, so I'll come at 4. Okay, right. So here, if you see, these are the couple of users are there, and subscribe. If I'm trying to subscribe these users, I'm going to click here subscribe. So better we can use some. Okay, it's loading. Krishna, how much when he is coming? Can you call this number? So I'm going here. So I can see here nowadays now two subscriber are there, and if I'm using here more user, let me go and use. Hmm? Message switch up. Okay. This call to this one. Venkat. Couple of user I am adding so that I can subscribe those users. वो कार्तिक नहीं है स्विच ऑफ. I'm trying to add one more user here. Okay, so similar way, I'm going to make Ruchi Web Solutions 2. First name, last name, website. Let me see. You are able to hear or not? Call. Yeah. Yeah, your voice is coming, or is that my voice is coming? Hello. Uh, no, now you check it whether it's coming or not. My voice is coming. Not. Yeah, try to reconnect it. Can you hear me now? Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Same problem. Are you using headphone or not? ओके ओके एक बार जरा वो कूलर बंद कर दीजिए, थोड़ा है ये इधर इधर स्विच है हाँ राइट कैन यू हियर मी नाउ हेलो कैन यू हियर मी नाउ ओके ओके जस्ट 1 minute let me call through Google Hangout I'm calling through Google Hangout pick up the call can you hear me now you're able to hear me okay okay fine so I'm going to share the screen
Yeah, this one is good.
okay okay fine fine shall I share through
Hello.
yeah I'm listening
Yeah, well,
okay I'm going to share here screen एक बार ऑन कर लीजिए गर्मी लग रहा है okay will start now
yes, sir, we can start now. The
okay
good.
okay fine so what we are trying to do here is the newsletter we are trying to implement and here I added couple of users so I'm going to user add new user and I'm adding some users so if you see here a list of the user so we have list of users are there here now again I'm going to newsletter here and I'm just checking the subscriber how many subscribers are there not confirm bounce okay so here we have options are there like if you want to check subscription setting status okay you need to go to newsletter Pro Premium account. First of all, what we have to do, we have to import external source, search, add, edit, search, maintenance. The user we need to add here in the subscriber setting. Let me go to setting now. Here we have add newsletter is there. We are going to add the newsletter. Sender email ID will come. Sender name will come. So license key is required. So license key we can find through their website. Once we go to their website, and if you go to our what do you call here, you'll find here newsletter. You can create the newsletter here. See, right now we don't have any newsletter. I'm going to click here. So creating the newsletter, it means that you can see here they're giving some raw data, which format you want the news. They're giving some couple of formats. So if I'm taking here some blank, this one I'm taking in this format I want to send. See here you can modify this one. Proceed to edit means I want to edit this data. So we are going to proceed to edit. Now you can see here we are going to I'm writing something. Welcome to Ruchi Web Solutions, Dilsukhnagar, Hyderabad. We are starting one new batch of WordPress from 12/05/2018 at 6 p.m. IST. You can call at to book your seat. Okay, so this type of newsletter I am trying, and newsletter have different options. If you want to insert something file, you can insert it. Images, if you want to insert, you can insert it. Here lots of options are there here. Okay, table, if you want, you can insert it here. Okay, you can make the bold, italic, all those you can do here. We have options are there. You can set the background color. Okay, and once once this is done, then what we are going to do, we are going to save this. So this data, if you click on send, will go to the all member who is there in my list, user list. I start real delivery. Okay, I think email and all we cannot send in the local. So definitely we need to upload somewhere on the server to do the real testing. Okay, but this is the way we are going to work it out.
What is message textual?
This data will go to email. This data will go to email. Let's say I in my system 100 email ID is there, and I want to send the email to all those 100 people the same data. I will send it. Same data will go. Okay. So let's say you are there, somebody is there, you are my old student, your relative or your friend want to learn the WordPress, you can able to know. That's the purpose of newsletter.
What is this message textual?
This message text is nothing but how in the footer our website name will come, our company name and all footer. Footer mail में कैसे रहता है कुछ डेटा रहता है ना thanks for, that's called text. Target, to whom you want to target, male, female, others, status, mail sent or not sent, here details will come, and what is the message, that message details will come. How it will go to the web, how it will go to mobile, this format will come. Okay, so like that we are going to send. Now
Like email, is SMS also possible on mobile?
not possible. For that you have to purchase the SMS gateway.
SMS gateway.
Yes. Understanding the file and folder structure. Now let me go to here. In our if you go here, this is our C drive examp. uh, Here we have this is our folder. Okay, what are the important files are there? WP config. What is WP config? Configurations we are going to do. Configurations means setting the database, changing the database, changing the password of our database, changing the username and all. Okay, so right now our database name is this. Maybe if I am uploading on the server, this value will change according to my server details. So this file is important. And apart from that, WP setting is there. What is WP setting? Basic setting will be there, like loading file, plugin files, version, WordPress version. Here we are not going to change anything, just for your understanding. How function.php we are calling, how our themes we are calling, how all those class library we are calling. So we are not going to change anything, just for our understanding. Apart from that, here we are not going to change anything. This folder is important, WP content folder, and in this folder we have whatever plugins. In the future we are going to create our own plugin, or we are going to customize our own plugin. The plugin will come here. You can see just now we install this plugin. Whatever the plugin we work, all those are coming here in the plugin folder. Coming to theme, right now which theme we are using? If you go here and check appearance theme. So right now what theme we are using? You can see we are using the Sydney theme. So you can see Sydney theme is there. Couple of other themes are there. Means if you want to do theme customization, you have to change here. Okay, CSS, if you want to do CSS, you have to do here, bootstrap here. Again, couple of other CSS is also there here.
What is CSS?
CSS means cascading style sheet. CSS means look and feel, changing the look and feel of our website is called CSS. Here couple of function.php is very important. If you remember in the previous class, we went here and we did couple of changes here. We created here if you remember, we created here couple of blocks. If you remember here, I think in this theme we did not work. Previously our theme was different, 2017. Okay, but if you want to change here, you can change here couple of things. Okay, let's say for example this, here we are creating the widget. If you want to create your own widget, you can create your own widget here. How we are going to create? See here, I am creating here one widget called Ranjan area. Okay, theme name Sydney is the theme name, and this is the ID and footer Ranjan. Footer Ranjan. As soon as save, and if you go to our widget here, see here, this is our in appearance widget is there here. If you go to widget, you can see I created one widget. You are able to see Ranjan somewhere. Ranjan area means, see Ranjan area is coming here. I have written here Ranjan area. The Ranjan area is coming. If you want to put here, you can put it here. And how to display this? You have to go to our home page and you have to change the data to display. Okay, so this function.php is important. Apart from that, if you go to template front page, this is a front page, means home page, and we have header.php. You will find, if you want to change anything in the header means top, home, footer. If you want to change in the footer, if you want to change in the content, see this is our content area. So see here, if you are changing anything here, it will go and it will change in the your content. Those data somewhere you will find, you can see. So you need to understand, if I want to change in the this file, where is going to reflect. So content page, this is our content. Okay, this is our header, this is the header, this is our content, this is our footer. So if I want to change here, definitely I will go to our footer page. I will go to our footer page and I can change here. Let's say I'm changing here something called Ruchi Web Solutions. So I can see here uh, Sydney theme is there, powered by WordPress theme Sydney by theme. See here, theme, Sydney by theme. Theme Sydney, I want to remove it here. See here, I want to write here something. So you can see here, you are able to see here is reflecting here, is loading, power by WordPress. Now you can see here I am changing here Ruchi Web Solutions. Means whatever you want to change, it will reflect here in the footer. So footer will be there, header will be there, front will be there. You can see Ruchi Web Solutions. So important files are header, content, footer, function, CSS, and again in the template, in template you can find couple of other folder. Post, if you want to change anything in the post, page and post will be there, two file. Page is separate, post is separate. If you want to change in the post, you can change here. Okay. So these are the important files are there. We are going to work it out. So because we need to understand the folder structure, then you can able to understand. Okay. So after finishing this, next class I am going to cover this one, custom theme development in WordPress. So this is I am going to do next class. Okay. So I will stop here, and tomorrow I am going to tell you this one. Class timing will be 11:15, 11:30 I am going to start. 11:15 you keep the time AM IST. Okay. So I am going to stop now here, and we will meet tomorrow